Let's create again the shaft drawing with a shaft 3D model. Okay, shaft 3D model with the GD&T drawing. Okay, let's start with a revolve. Okay, in the sketch plane, let's draw the outer profile, and then first let's draw the center line. Okay, and after that let's draw the line, and let's control it later. Okay, and only these many steps. Let's control the dimensions later. First, let's control the dimensions of the smallest diameter, 25, and then this one is 50. Okay, and this one is 85. Okay, and this smallest dimension is 10 mm, and this one is 18 mm, and this one is 75. Okay, rest all is fully constrained. Sketch closed. Okay, let's revolve it. It's done. Okay, and again one more revolve in the right plane. Okay, sorry, front plane, and this time we are going to revolve to remove the material. Okay, let's create different rectangles. This one is 1.5 mm or 1.2 mm. This one, let's keep it 4. This one is 10 mm. Okay, this one is 62.5. Okay, and this one, let's keep it 6 mm. This one is 4 mm, and this is 23, and this one is from there, it's 26 centimeter cut. Okay, 2 mm. That's all. Sketch is constrained, but we have missed the center line here. Okay, close it. Exit the sketch. Now we have to remove the material. That's all we have done. Now let's create simple holes. Okay, and this. Okay, and offset reference. Okay, let's give somewhere. Okay, and reverse the direction. Okay, and this one is 3 mm there. Okay, let's give it that 11 mm. That's enough. Okay, this one, let's keep it at 42.5, right? Let's keep it 50. Sorry, 25 radially. Okay, this one, let's keep it 20. Okay, 12.5. Okay, so let's keep it to the circle. 50. Let's create a pattern. Let's see pattern, and this time it's circular pattern, so we have to choose the axis, and this one is 8 number count, number of first direction numbers, that is 360 divided by 8, 45 degrees, 8. Okay, done. Okay, this hole is done. I think almost we have done the except the chamfer. Let's give 1 mm d by d. Okay, okay, that's all we have done, and we will create one more hole also, and this okay face, let's take that offset reference. Okay, let's keep it 0, and this one also 0. This time this dia is 8 mm. Okay, 8 mm. Depth is 12.5 mm. Okay, let's keep it drilled so that you will have that shape of 118 mm. Okay, most of the stuffs in this parametric software will be done automatically. But